So guys, my work is to voice act. So I'm voicing today Rapunzel. Rapunzel. So my work is 2 hours. So I'm gonna surprise you. I'm just gonna go to my work. But I'm in my house, so look at here. This is my desk because I love art, so this is my drink, so and here's where I'm gonna practice. This is my work room. See, this is my house, so I'm just actually playing. I'm not actually voicing a character, but I just want to make a video. So please no hate. No haters, please. Haters are not allowed here. So let's go. Let's start the game. 3, 2, 1. Let's go up. Please. Just pretend that you believe that I am actually at work and you please believe. No hate, please. Let's play a puppet first. It is good. One hour later. My work? Let's go. So I just voiced her and I did my best to voice her. Just check part 2. Okay. So because I can't show you right now because I'm super busy. I'll just show you what I'm gonna do. I'll just voice Moana and I'll get just the princess. Except for the Lion King. You don't have a princess! Let's go. Just kidding, I don't have a voice. So I actually voiced it. No. I'm actually gonna voice the color part. If I go famous and this video gets 1 million or 1 billion views, I'm gonna get a stage and ask my mom. If I'm super famous, if I grow up, I will be a makeup artist, guys.